Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to properly add a slider function or a slider widget to your Shopify store from scratch. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and without having to do any coding, as you normally would when you go to configure your online store on Shopify, there's actually an easier way to do it using a third-party app. So I'll show you guys just how to do it. So the first thing that you guys need to do, obviously, is you want to make sure that you're logged into your Shopify account as an administrator. So as you can see, I'm on the dashboard right now, and the idea is we want to get access to the Shopify App Store. And there are a couple ways to do that, but the simplest way, honestly, is by clicking on the dropdown for apps and clicking on Apps and Sales Channel and clicking on Shopify App Store. And now it should open up a new tab and redirect you to this page right here. And from here, it'll actually pull up a list of all of the compatible apps and tools that you can integrate with Shopify. So what we're looking for here is called eComposer. So eComposer is a site builder or a landing page builder. And I'll show you guys just in a sec what it's all about. So it's this one right here, eComposer landing page builder built for Shopify. So we're going to click on this and we're going to click on install. And I should mention that this comes with a paid plan as well as the free plan. But the paid ones, it goes without saying that they come with more features, but that's pretty cool. So let's actually get to authorizing this to connect to our store. Okay, so here we are. We're going to click on next and set it all up. And we're going to choose the theme that we want to add, or I should say the theme or the page that we want to add the functions to. So we're going to pick this one. This one's actually the default one. So here we are. So for this one, just choose whatever, select template, and here we are. So we're going to go ahead and create a new website or edit the one that we have. So let's do this one, for example. We can do a stroller store. Let's do product headphones. Click on next. Give it a title, for sale. Start building. And this should take us to the site builder for eComposer. So when we go to integrate our store with this app right here, you guys would want to navigate to the left-hand side of the screen where you get to add new sections and elements to the store. So for example, I'm going to add a new container here. Actually, let's just do this one. I'm going to click on Elements, and you'll see that there's an option that says Slider. So here, I'm going to add a slider to this box. And that's honestly it. And you guys can, it goes without saying that you guys can configure this to how you want. You could incorporate new photos like this. Or you could give it a name, change the layout, change the resolution and whatnot. And yeah, that's basically it. So yeah, that's the video. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.